Hey guys, this is Hassan here. Welcome to Smart Crypto Trader Club YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to have a look to Bitcoin again, as I update almost roughly almost daily, at least five times a week. Sometimes I do miss it because I'm moving a house. I'm moving to other house, so I'm being busy in these days, and other stuff going on as well. I'll share with you guys later on. But anyways, let's go with the update, and I will share with you what's going on with Bitcoin, and so at least you have an idea what's coming next. And about if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. Or if you're watching on DTube, Steemit, make sure you do follow. If you're not aware of Steemit, is one of the decentralized social platform. Basically, you can blog there and you get paid. If people like your blog, you get paid. Each dollar you make here is equal to 5 USD dollar, 5 Steemit dollar. So it's Steemit, they have their own currency that worth a lot more in USD dollar. So anyways, let's go to Bitcoin. I was just watching it, tried to held for a while at this level. It just can't break. We want to see this level break, but it can't break, can't make higher highs, and that's what I'm looking for. I'm waiting. Right now I was looking at here, it was trying hard to break that level, like very hard. It held for a while, and I was thinking just to play that small 1-2% play, and I said nah, leave it, just see what's gonna happen. But anyways, what happened this morning, actually not morning, early today, we had a breakout, the breakdown. We had this was a sign of selling actually. But what happened is Bitcoin held a support here. Some traders, as I said before, every trader is different. Some traders don't draw these trend lines, they just look at support resistance, and there was a support at this area, like very good support, and they held this support, the buyers, the people who are bullish on Bitcoin, and slowly we made a bullish pattern, and we went in and in again on that trend. And right now we're making a move. This was very strong move here, and right now we need to break this level. After breaking this level, this is the last level we need to break. When we break this, I'm expecting we're gonna hit this level. Let me just zoom out. This was 1 hour chart. Let's zoom out and see. So right now I was waiting at this levels to Bitcoin to make a 4-hour higher a pattern, a higher highs, higher low, lower highs and higher highs, to make a bullish pattern. Right now we did made a higher low, and we made higher high here, but we came back. We still have a good support at this area. We came here, we still got support, but couldn't break this level. We need to break this level. We couldn't break that. We went down, and we still had this support, and we made again. Thank God we didn't break this, because breaking this would have tested this, and breaking this again, I mean, it would be disaster. But anyways, we holding the support pretty nicely. Okay, I will go to daily as well. Right now, as I said, on 4 hour, this is the next level we wanna see breaking, and then this is the last one. And breaking this, there will be a pretty good volume coming in, and we can see before there wasn't much volume. If you see BTC, if you see my first video when I said are we back, the volume is pretty low in Bitcoin comparing to this, and we need a lot of volume. There is still few bad news that along to good news. There's so many good news. We're gonna talk about those news as well just in a bit. They keep coming. With the bad news, of course, there's always good and bad news, so there's not gonna be the best news. I always share those news in my Facebook group. If you're not part of it, the links are gonna be in this video, or if you're now member of Steemit, make sure you join. It's very good platform, and you can follow me there as well. And what I was saying is just doing simple analysis. I'm not gonna look at big targets, because I update daily, and I wanna stay daily, because in daily it won't move much. Okay, it won't go outside this zone by next night. Okay, it's night here, it's 2 a.m. here. So right now what I'm expecting is we break this, and there's 50 MA this one, and there is a trend line which gonna of course stop it. But the first video we expected we gonna have a resistance here, but what happened is we couldn't break this up higher. We just broke down and we're consolidating and making a pennant, a triangle, so many names there in trading. So we're making a triangle, like healthy decent triangle, but we need more volume to break this, otherwise we wouldn't be breaking this. There's one possibility we break up, we hit here, come back, test it, we break this. There's again a resistance here, I don't know what, there's again resistance here, and this area is a resistance area as well. We need to break. Of course, if you see here, we had a pretty good support at this area. There's two fib levels. I will zoom in and show you why I drew those two fib levels. So this is the zone we need to break this. As I said, which level is it? I'm always watching a GTX chart. If you're now aware of this, I always watch Coinbase and GTX charts. So right now we're looking for BTC to break, yeah, we can say 12,000 break, and then it will hit to 12,400 to 500, and then there will be a pullback hopefully because of 50 moving average and the trend line that's coming on the top. And then we break this, I'm pretty sure we're gonna hit this area, and then a pullback, we're gonna get support here. That's what Bitcoin does most of the time I've seen. That's why, depending on the past history, I'm speculating this, and then I'm expecting if we break this strong with good volume, and we're gonna see a push higher, and we're expecting a move at least here at this area at 14,000, and breaking this we will hit 15,000. I mean, there's gonna be always stops, it can't just go straight up, and from here we will have a move and then up. And then there's so many resistance, you know. We need a lot of volume to break this. It can't just easily to break this, won't be easy at all to break this trend line, because this is the major one. Won't be easily to break this major trend line, this one I'm talking about that comes on top. 1 second, this one we won't be easily breaking this, and there is one of the major part is this one, this moving average at daily 50 moving average is gonna be very hard to break. It's around 14,000, yeah, around 15,000. And there's one more thing with this, is gonna move higher as the price goes higher, and then it's gonna give us a bit trouble later on. But right now we are breaking this, we are making a pretty nice setup. Just expecting that breakout. Even on daily is making the same pattern, so I'm just expecting a small breakout here, and then breaking this will give us more space. End of the day this needs to hit here, okay, because if we're making a channel, we'll go hit here. If we don't break this, or if we don't get support here at this area, okay, what's next is we're gonna go down here, very like highly expected. Now here at least we're gonna touch this and come on this area. This is huge support where Bitcoin already had the support. We won't go much down here, I don't think so. We're gonna come here, this area, this is around 12,000, yeah, 11,000. So from here we're gonna break this, and then finally, but I don't think so Bitcoin will break this at first time, and there is a 50 moving average as well. So because of that, what I'm expecting is we're gonna go up from here. There's a lot of mess here right now because of my bad drawing. Let's just move this for a second. I'm making a series of newest mistake. If you're new in this channel, make sure you do subscribe for more videos. Now technical analysis is gonna be different, and maybe I do technical analysis basic as well, but there are already so many on technical analysis. So what I'm expecting right now is we're gonna grow slowly up here, and then from here we're gonna go break down, and then I'm expecting if it's gonna be hard dumping, we're gonna hit this fib level. We're already holding this very strong. We're gonna hit this fib level. We have a trend line, very strong one here. So, and we have 100 moving average around this area. Let's see where is it right now, because this is a free version that I'm using. of TradingView. I have paid paid in Coinigi, but for this I use this one. So as I said, where is it right now? What I was doing? Yes, we have 100 moving average here, so this gonna follow along as well, and after we go up, by then I'm expecting this gonna move around the same level or a bit higher, and then we're gonna get a bounce. We're gonna close up here above 100 moving average. This is something gonna like happen, and we will see that in coming days. I'm not gonna say like it's gonna happen by tomorrow. No, of course not. And right now we still have a bearish patterns. Right now we would never say 100% we are back. There is a reason, because we still haven't made any higher highs comparing to this. We need to break these higher levels, like this level. We need to break these levels to go for new high. I mean, this it's not gonna be easy, trust me, it's not gonna be easy. There's gonna be huge walls, sale walls to break, and we need a lot of volume to break those. It won't be easy right now. This pattern is not all that, you know, there's not much volume. Maybe this is the accumulation that going on, then we'll see a pump, but it's very hard to say what's gonna happen at this point until we don't see a huge breakout, volume breakout from here, from this level. If we don't see a huge breakout, it wouldn't attract any big investors. We need to attract them by volume. Okay, we need volume. Without volume nothing works. Okay, we need a lot of volume, I said again. So let's hope we get volume soon, and we get support here, we break this, and we bounce back, we get, and as close as we go, and this is very hard, we're gonna go break down. And hopefully if we stay and hold very well these levels, and expecting a move up. And I don't think so we're gonna move that early, because there is a China New Year. It's gonna be, we still have 20 days right now roughly to reach here, Bitcoin to reach here, or even we reach here. We will see that there's still so many days, 10 to 15 days it's gonna take to move here and then here and everything. Whatever happens, we may break early. It all depends on the news. If we get a big news, by end of the day, news effect stays temporarily, and we break up and we leave a wick, like wicks like this. That's what happens. Bitcoin is keep doing that. It does a lot of fake outs, and if we break this, if it doesn't close on top, the most likely chance are Bitcoin gonna come down, because it is gonna be only the news bump, and which is really doesn't stay for too long. Depends on the news as well. Let's go to the news and see the news. We haven't seen those. So South Korean regulator that in reality exchange closing exchange is impossible. Okay, so they're not closing it. All news was just crap. And other than that, Tom Lee said the BTC is gonna hit 25,000 2018. I think maybe more. Yeah, we will see that. I haven't did any future predictions yet. I'm just doing normal prediction. That there will be time I will soon do a prediction of, depending on the technical analysis, where is the next target. But I'm looking for bigger numbers. I was looking at today, but I'm expecting bigger numbers, but depends. We need to first break those and make confirmation of going all-time high, breaking the bigger trend line. If we break that in next 10 to 15 days, then I will see and predict that, because there is no point for me just predicting right now, like copying others, the way they speculate the price and just say it from their mouth without any reason. Okay, I want to see what technical analysts are saying, and they say different time to time. They change every day. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wait and see. I mean, I can set my targets right now where I want to sell depending on technical analysis, but to confirm things, we need to wait, I guess, because it's a long-term investment. It's not like a day or two investment that we can just predict now and say it. Other than that, there was a news that blockchain.info, it was only a wallet, but now you can buy and sell your cryptocurrency there as well. It's a huge news, but their fees are very high, which is a bit disappointing for people to buy there. For many UXC customers, it's decentralized platform, so shouldn't have regulation issue and all those things. Anyways guys, I think that's it. We are getting a support here. Hopefully we break this. We're breaking 11,700 is gonna be big number, because I can't show you right now. There is a big sell wall here, like big one. 1 second, it's so hard to look at this. Oh my god. Okay, so we have a quite, the size is pretty hard, big one of sell wall, and I'm expecting to sell and just book that 2%. Is if you have few BTC you sell, you can book decent profit. So yeah, we need a lot of volume to break this, especially 12,000. It's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be easy. And look at this 13,000. I mean, it can be fake, okay, it may remove later on. Those whales play a lot because they bought already and they're trying to accumulate here. They're trying to buy more before people are scared and waiting for that wall to break. But people whales are, and the big guys, banks are buying here, and when they take this wall off, they make it weak, and then the price drives so high quickly. And right now they're buying as much as they can, slowly with their boards and all those things. Anyways guys, make sure to do subscribe and follow me on Steemit, on Twitter. The links are gonna be under this video. All the links you need are gonna be under this video. Thank you for being here, thank you for watching, thank you for your time, and I'll see you guys in next video. Bye.